Hey, what's up, guys? Wanted to make a video for you today, sharing with you some trending niches on Redbubble. The past couple of days, I haven't really found anything good on merch, so I figured I'd jump onto Redbubble and show you some trending designs on this platform, on this website. And the first one that I have for you is going to be in the women's reproductive niche, and the niche, or the sub niche, the phrase is forced birth is not freedom. And you can tell when a niche is trending because it's going to have this little arrow right here pointing up, like the stock market. And so here we can see, there's barely any competition, 432. I'd probably recommend putting this on like a women's thumbnail. But this is a good niche because of the niche that's in, the women's reproductive niche. It's trending, very little competition. So this could be a good niche to get into. The next one that I have for you is Ready to Explore Kindergarten. You can see that it's trending, has a little arrow pointing upwards. This is good because there's even less competition, only 213 results. We got back to school coming up, so this could be a really good niche as well. You could probably, you definitely want to have kids selected when you are uploading this. So when you are uploading, there's going to be a little button, like a settings button that you can click on. You want to make sure that you have all the kids options selected. But you can also put this on like a, like a backpack. You can put this on like a journal, like a notebook, things like that. And maybe use that as the thumbnail instead of a T-shirt, just to kind of like stand out. So I don't think anybody else is doing that. Maybe this one right here. Or even on a mask, for example. The next one is going to be drink coffee, read books, dismantle systems of oppression. You can see here a little more competition, 1,300, but usually the coffee niches do really well. It's a cross niche with books. I know I like to read, I like to drink coffee, so I'm sure there's a lot of people that would like this niche. Maybe you can put this design on a mug, for example, because it's talking about coffee and reading books, so people might want to, have a mug that has the sprays on it when they're reading and drinking coffee. I don't think I see any mugs here, so that could be a good option. And then I had one more little bonus one for you. Now this one does have a lot more competition. It's 6,000, but I thought the niche was kind of cool, and since it's in the back to school niche, I thought this could be good. So the niche, or the phrase, is game over, back to school. It's a cross niche of back to school and video games. And again, you might want to put this on a backpack. You might want to put this on like a notebook. Make sure that you have the kids selected when you're uploading this onto clothing and to the T-shirts. So these are some niches that I wanted to show you that were trending on Redbubble. You can actually go to Vexels and find graphics. I have an affiliate link in the description. I just typed in coffee, so here you're going to see a lot of coffee graphics that you can use. I also typed in school, so there's also some school graphics that you can use if you want to use any of those graphics for the back to school designs. And then I just also wanted to show you on Etsy. I had a really good day on Etsy yesterday. You can see here I did yesterday, July 22nd. You're going to see that I did $475 in revenue. Now this is in profit. That'd be nice if it was profit, but it's revenue. You see, I got 7 orders, so I had a really good day. I have a pretty good Etsy shop. I've been on Etsy for like 6 years. I have over 6,000 sales, over 2,000 listings, over 1,200 reviews. So I don't have like the best shop on Etsy, but I have a pretty good idea what I'm doing. And I offer a service where I do critiques of people's Etsy shops on Fiverr. So this is the gig right here. It's going to be in the description. You're going to see right here, I will do an Etsy critique of your shop to increase your sales. I have 178 reviews, 1 order in queue. You can take a look at this listing, check out the video, take a look at the packages. Let's just take a look at the reviews real quick, because you're going to see that people seem to really like this. They leave these long paragraph reviews talking about how much they like the service. And let's just go to, you can see here 175 5-star reviews. Let's just go to the most recent. So here we go. Absolutely amazing. Very informative, worth every penny. Thank you so much. Mike was fantastic. Great service. So if you have an Etsy shop that's struggling, you might want to consider purchasing this gig and have me do an audit of your shop. I can show you some things that will help improve your shop to increase your chances of getting more sales. All right, so that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. Check out the affiliate links in the description, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.